Hi, today we are going to discuss regarding is Cosmetic surgery worth it. So I am Dr. Samir Ahire. I am a cosmetic and plastic surgeon. I do practice in Mumbai and Goa, and I have been doing body contouring surgeries for last 15 years. So let's start with today's topic. What is abdominoplasty? So abdominoplasty is a very common procedure, and the need for abdominoplasty or the patients who have been doing abdominoplasty has gone up significantly in last decade. So what does abdominoplasty do or Cosmetic surgery do is gets rid of your excess skin, your excess fat, your lower body pouch, what you are having in your lower tummy area. Plus to that, it will tighten your muscle. So overall, it is going to lift everything. It is going to give your tummy very tight and kind of a physic appearance to your tummy. So because of this reasons, people have started preferring getting a tummy tuck surgery done. Another reason why people have been doing Cosmetic surgery is because they have tried everything. They have tried diet, they have tried exercises, but still they are not able to get rid of the tummy. So there is a very simple solution, which is abdominoplasty or a Cosmetic surgery. I have been doing Cosmetic surgery for last 15 years, and usually most of my patients are female patients who after pregnancy have a lower body pouch or they have a hanging saggy lower tummy, for which they need some kind of treatment to get rid of the fat, to get rid of the excess skin, to tighten their muscles, and also sometimes their navel is out of shape, to shapen it and give a new navel position. So it's a procedure which takes somewhere around 3 hours, and it all depends what all procedures will be combining with your tummy tuck. Like if for example, what additional procedures will be combining with your tummy tuck surgery. Otherwise, it's a 3-hour procedure for me. So what is the downtime in this surgery? I'll like to tell you, first of all, this is a major surgery, and the downtime in this surgery is not insignificant. So definitely for first 2 weeks you will find it difficult to move around. You have to move with little bit bending forward. You will find it difficult to stand, but you can expect your final recovery in somewhere around 6 to 8 weeks, in which you will be able to do most of your things. You won't be able to drive your car maybe for somewhere around 2 weeks from the day of procedure. There will be drains in your tummy which will be there for at least 1 to 2 weeks. So the protocol varies from surgeon to surgeon, but usually I try to keep the drains for somewhere around 5 to 7 days. I keep you immobilized for 1 day. I get you out of bed. I make you move around. You are able to do your daily minimum activities from day 3 itself, and you are pretty much comfortable in somewhere around 10 to 14 days from the day of your procedure. Who are the ideal candidates for this procedure? So let me start by telling you, this surgery is advocated for healthy patients, and they should have realistic expectation. If any female wants to get pregnant in next 1-2 years, then definitely I'll advise her to first conceive, finish with her pregnancy and childbirth, and after that she should think of tummy tuck surgery. But if you are not planning any more babies in next 2 to 3 years, then definitely tummy tuck surgery can be an option for you. So that brings us to the cost of this procedure. So the cost of this procedure will vary from the location as well as expertise of your surgeon. On an average, it usually varies from 1.5 to 3.5 lakhs depending upon your expertise, the setup in which you will be doing the procedure. Plus to that, if you are looking for any additional procedures like liposuction, BBL or breast surgery, then your cost is going to go up. So So every procedure has a pros and cons. This tummy tuck procedure will also have its pro and con things. So I like to start with the pros. Definitely you get a narrow waistline, you get a flatter tummy, whatever stretch mark you are having below your navel are completely taken off. Whatever stretch mark are above your navel, their intensity goes down, in the sense because we will be pulling your skin down, and because of the stretching they are going to be less visible. Plus to that, patient confidence goes up, they feel healthy. If they are having any physiological things like complaints like urinary incontinence or lower back pain, that is improved. They are able to get rid of that lower pooch or the pouch which they had, which gives rise in the sense it translates into a confidence booster for them, and they are able to wear those dresses which they were not able to wear. Some of my patients have sent me photos of them being in two-piece swimsuit, so they want to show their body and appreciate the kind of results for they have achieved. So the next discussion will be on the cons of this procedure. So definitely this procedure has some disadvantages. It's a major surgery. You are almost like you're not able to drive for 2 weeks. You have limited physical activity. You need a support system to help you in your household chores. Plus to that, you get a scar. Plus your final healing will take few weeks to few months. So there are many things, but if you're considering the scarring aspect, I like to tell that scar usually is very well hidden in your bikini line. There are no scars or cut on your tummy, so even if you are wearing low vest dresses or jeans or any kind of trousers, the scar is not visible. So we have done a survey on all of our patients who had tummy tuck surgery with us, and we found that 96% of the patients were satisfied with the results. They are very happy, they are healthy, they are confident, and they really appreciated the results as well as the transformation what we have made for them. 4%, some of our patients were a little bit skeptical because of the scarring aspect as well as the long recovery period and the final recovery or the healing aspect of few months. So from that aspect, they were a little bit less satisfied, but most of our patients were satisfied with the results as well as whatever the pros and cons associated with the procedure, they have accepted it. So if you have liked this video, please come to our channel, like this video, subscribe to our channel, put your comments in the comment box, or you can DM us on our Instagram handle. My team will be more than happy to help you out with your issues. Thank you.